Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be installing a Grimmspeed boost controller on my 2012 EVO. So let's get started. Yeah, so once you have all those vacuum lines hooked up to the correct ports, I just took a piece of the old vacuum line and just looped that black sensor. I just looped it back, and I just did that just so that no dirt or anything gets in there and making a mess. And then I mounted the aftermarket boost controller on the factory bracket, but I undid that bolt there, took it out, and tilted the bracket like this, just so that this line wasn't kinked up, and it looks pretty good down there. So yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, so once you have the boost controller installed, you're gonna want to flash the correct tune. If you're using the Ebcs port, I think you can download an OTS map and off their website, but I'm not 100% sure. In my case, I have an e-tune through Speed Circuit, and I just emailed him and told him that I installed this boost controller, and he sent me over a new tune to try. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flash that on. Alright guys, that's it. Yeah, subscribe for some more videos, and in my next video I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that.